I do see a little sign that looks very familiar up there on the house. NIO ES6. This is where I want to go now. Next. Here we are. Here we are. ET5t, ES6, ES8. Let's have a look inside. We do have a look inside. This is the ET5t. Alright friends, ET5t. No key inside. Ah, a bit more than that. Thank you. Okay, the first thing, seat back. I'm also gonna crush my feet again here in this thing. Let's see. The usual nice interior from NIO. The new one, the T. We have the new interior with a screen that way. It's bigger. You got 2 charging stations, ventilated, both of them. Actually, it's also an upgrade. Then we have 2 cup holders, and then the usual open from both sides with a light in it. Very cool, very cool. Other than that, we have the usual, well-known NIO interior. This has also become a little bit of an upgrade here. Head-up display is bigger. Oh, where is Nomi? That's boring. No, we need Nomi. Little fella looking at you. The seats are really nice. Beautiful. Beautiful seats. ET5t. Alright. It's a nice car. Yes. It's a very nice color. This purple interior is really something, I can tell you that. It really looks good. It's very different. It's really nice. It looks very luxurious, purple interior actually. Have the big glass roof. Very nice. Very, very nice. Sophie had the first thing she said was like, there's lots of plastic in this car. I said, what? It's also a price difference. Well, here it's very nice, lush and leather all the way. Here, for some reason, around here, it's like a rubber. It feels like rubber. So I'm not really liking that. Here we have a leather kind of thing. This is, yeah, that's plastic. And let's see down here, also hard plastic. And this rubberish plastic thing inside. All right, it is not. You don't get the same feel like in the ES8, I can tell you that, or the EL8 that we have in Norway. That is clear. Soft close, of course, all the cars. The looks of this car really stunning, really nice. Price-wise, must-buy item. Really good price on that. And it's really beautiful, stunning. I mean, look at this thing. It is a very, very sleek, nice car. Absolutely beautiful. See how we open? I guess the button was down here. If I'm not, yes. I remember correctly, and I did. And hey, you got the boot. The boot. Blue sky coming. Here it is. Nice. Absolutely beautiful car. For us, here we have the ES6, smaller version. Well, small and small is an SUV. It's actually really nice. I really can't get this to figure. There it is. Usually it's just a handshake. This is the right thing. See, this is already an upgrade. And look at those seats. Isn't that pretty? Those seats are really amazing. So this is the ES6. This is an upgrade from the EL6 we're having in Europe. It's basically also the Gen 3, I would say. It also got the new Gesundheit. It also got the new size of screen. It now has 2 chargers, 2 cup holders, and the whole interior got just a serious upgrade, I would say. Other than that, same features. The space in the back is, wow, amazing. Really, really, really good. Seats are very comfy. I like them. But here you hit the first plastic. I mean, obviously you have to have plastic here and there. This here on the doors you have actually relatively soft material. Here's the plastic. All right, and I also didn't put the NOM in. Already downside. Other than that, beautiful NIO design. You know it. Here we have metal, kind of, I would say, at least. Soft close, of course, on this thing as well. Yes. Handshake in the back doors. Here. Seats, beautiful. You can adjust the backrest. Forward and back. Not too much. What do you have here? Here we have the something to put your phone down. There should be cup holders actually in here. How I open them, I don't know. I have to be very honest with you, but I know they're there. Maybe it's broken. I don't know. What is this button for? Nothing. So we can close that, and then we can actually party trick. We can just remove the middle of those two. But then you get this kind of, well, trunk feeling. All right, nice. Display, nothing exciting happening here. Same. Seats from the back. It's relatively hard-ish, soft. It's not cheap plastic, but it's actually pretty nice. Very nice car. Now, that said, you can check out the boot, of course. Off we go. Oh, that is more than enough for most of people. Beautiful. This here is not really okay. Plastic. Anyway, in here you have a leathery-ish kind of feel at least. All right, that's that. Now move on to the real cool car. So here we go. Here it is, ES8, third generation. It's the thing where you knock on the, either you knock or you press. Let's press. Open the trunk. See the car actually goes down. It kneels. This thing is huge. It's massive. And the whole car is just so well built. It's nice to see. And then when you close it, it comes back up. See it nicely here when it's closed. Watch the wheels. It's going to pump itself up again. There you hear a summing sound of the compressor. It's working, and there it comes up. You get the picture. Right, let's get in. There is the handshake. Just put your hand in, opens, beautiful. Here you go. Leather, leather, more leather, leather, metal, leather. Even the inside is velour or something. This is really, really nice. The interior, purplish. Not bad at all. Oh, who is here? Ah, Sophia has already moved into the movie theater.
I just pressed the map.
She's route planning actually at the moment on the huge touchscreen that comes down from the roof. In those beautiful lush seats. Well, you can lay down, you have a footrest and you name it. Yes. But hey, now let's get into the front. You see on those seats. Oh, thick leather. Okay, here we are to the plastic. Here we are on the plastic. Here is actually still soft material. All right. The seat is now regulated from here in the door. So now you can drive it from there before you even get in. It's easy. You see it. Easy accessible. Very nice. Gonna go all the way down, all the way back, and off we go. And we're in. Oh god, this is just annoyingly good. Beautiful. So from the EL8 in Norway or Europe, this is the ES8 upgrade with Nomi and everything here. Hey Nomi. Do you speak English?
Sure, I can speak English.
Wonderful.
Is there anything I can assist you with in English?
Yes, what is the weather today?
白山区今天晴，最低27度，最高34度，空气质量优 ，PM 2.5 24，白山区发布高温黄色
Okay,
预警。
he says he speaks English, understands what I'm saying, but answers me in Chinese. Certainly.
I'm happy to continue our conversation in English.
Thank you.
Of course. My pleasure. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Yes, NIO. Could you tell me the weather in English, please?
我想想
Certainly.
Certainly. The weather in Shenzhen today is sunny with a high of 34 degrees Celsius
Okay.
and a low of 27
Here we
degrees
go.
Celsius.
We have it in English.
The air quality is excellent with
The
a
screen's
PM 2.5
amazing.
rating of 24.
Really, really
Would
nice.
you like me to
A
add
huge
sun
head-up
at a
display in
charging
color,
station
actually.
to your route?
Rear view camera.
That sounds impressive. I'm sure the huge color display in your car enhances your driving experience. Is there anything specific you'd like to do with it? Like adjust the brightness or change the display theme?
Oi. No, thank you. So here you have the quick access buttons as well
Leave it as it is.
for the massage, for the ventilation, and for the heat.
If you need anything else, just let
All
me
the
know.
4 windows open, close. Then you can close the car, you can open the car.
Sure, I can help with that.
No, stop helping me, NIO. It's okay. It's okay, NIO. Stop helping. NIO,
Let me know and I'll do
stop
for you.
it. So NIO has become very intelligent, has AI now. You can really actually have conversations with NIO now. I don't know if you can see the head-up display. It is really, really very nice. Wow, what an upgrade. And the screen. All right, beautiful seats, absolutely. When you press the open button of the door, you do get actually the view backwards on all the seats, even in the back, so you don't hit any cyclist or whatever coming from behind. And this is the back. The pillow that I threw down, I'm so sorry. Well, Sophia is enjoying herself. Those seats, they move sideways, forward, back, the full thing. They have many functions here as well. And you even have the sun blinds for this model. And of course, self-speaking soft close. How about the passenger princess? Passenger princess is here. Let's see if we can. No, we cannot because Sophia is there. All right, we won't. But this is also a zero gravity seat on this side. So opening the back is the button down here somewhere. There it is. You really have to find it, hit it, the right spot. There we go. Now we have those seats up with the click of a button. We just put them down, down, or not. Cool, we just went to the NIO center here and I did get my magnet. I'm very happy. Now we can move on. Next one is Huawei. I like this place. Remember our guide? She told us there's nothing here, only construction. Reason why we dropped her. One of the reasons.